Welcome back to the All Wheels Down channel. And today we're going to be looking at Woodland Scenics landmark structures of the Corner Emporium. Here's what it looks like when you first get it. They put in these nice big bubble wrap kind of things so you can see what you're getting. But we're going to take it out of the box right now. So this is the Corner Emporium. And the first thing I really notice about this one is that the lights are really great on this thing. They have the upstairs lit up with a nice green glow coming from the windows, and they have like a cardboard detail inside that you can see. And I guess this is an ice cream shop combined in the same building with a barber shop on the end here, and also a pool hall, I guess, is upstairs. That's why they have the lights upstairs. So this one is really nice. The only thing, when I was handling it, when I first opened it up, I think I broke this light off here. I think it hangs up there. I'll just super glue that back up there. But it has lots of nice detail. All these little pieces are attached to the building. And also this little trash can here came off, but that's not a problem. I can super glue that back on. But this one is really neat. And I'm gonna show you what the back looks like here and the side. Here's what it looks like lit up from the back side. This thing is really nice with the lights in the upstairs. Yeah, I believe this might be my favorite one as far as the lighting effects and the detail. And here on the sign, you can even see what Annie's charging for her ice cream treats. So that's it for the Corner Emporium. I'd like to thank you for tuning in. Think about subscribing, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time.